Hello guys! Good day sa inyong lahat guys. Gusto ko lang i-share yung aking karanasan sa YouTube na bago ako i-demonetize nila or i-suspended ang aking YouTube partner program ay nag-ano muna sila guys sa akin. Nag-message 1 week ago. Kaya kailangan kong mag-appeal. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo kung paano ako nag-appeal para maging successful uli at maibalik ang ating YouTube Partner Program o ang monetization program. Ayan. Eto guys, panoorin po natin sabay-sabay at ito lang po yung ginawa ko. Kailangan, ang haba ng ating video ay 4 minutes and 59 seconds. Kailangan ipakita mo doon uh, kung ano ang mga ginamit mong gadgets, kung saan ka nag-edit. Ilagay mo rin yung pangalan ng iyong ng iyong channel, yung URL ng video mo. Ayan. Kailangan ay malinaw. Basta sundan nyo lang itong aking ginawa guys at talagang nag-successful ako. One day pa lang successful na. Thank you so much. I love you all guys. Hi YouTube team. In this video, I received an email from your team last 5 of March 2026 at 2:33 p.m. My YouTube channel will be suspended from the YouTube Partner Program this coming March 11, 2026. This is the email. We noticed some issues with your channel. We found that a portion of your channel may not be in line with our YouTube channel monetization policies. Reuse content. Content is not clearly an original creation of this channel. My channel name is Chang Becky and this is my URL. I would like to appeal my application and showing the process how I create my content. My videos not contains violating monetization policy. My channel content is different type of contents such as my personal blogging, cooking, and artificial intelligence. I will show you how I film my videos. And this is all my gadgets. Here is my gadget to use for filming a video. This is my Huawei P30 Lite. I have iPhone 15 Pro Max. I have GoPro also. And I have Oppo Reno 7. And the one I take now is my Samsung M31. All of these I use for my filming a video. I will show you the application I make for artificial intelligence. Okay, I have application here. I have two application, the Gemini and the Grok. Usually I use the Grok. Okay, I give you the sample for the video. Okay, I will download first the image. Okay, I have the image here, the eagle and the monkey. Okay, then let's write here. I write here eagle and lion. Please do a video like eagle holding a lion and fly in the sky. Download it. It's generating. Okay, let's see. Okay, then the video, let's make download it, then generating again. We will wait until 100% this one. Okay, now it's finished downloading. Okay, let's try to play. Okay, this is the product. Okay, now we will make download the arrow. Okay, let's download already. Now we are going to CapCut for editing this. Okay, this is the video. Okay, add, and we will write something. Okay, we write fly in the sky. Okay, we will until here and we will delete this one. Okay,
And if you want something to put overlay or laugh, I have here this one I use, and I make it small, then I put down. Okay, let's try. That's the finished product. Okay, and export. Okay, done. This is the place where I do my life. I will put only my mobile like this. This is my chair and this is my table. This is the salon area. That's why you can hear any kinds of sounds. I'm sitting here to edit my video. This only the place I'm using, and this is the place it's available for me for editing my videos and live streaming. I'm hoping that your team will be consider my videos is a part of your YouTube program. Thank you for your kindness and God bless us all. Thank you so much.